What's up guys, my name is Connor and today I have an exciting review for you guys on the solid gold Rolex Skydweller. This is going to be reference 326935. I'm going to be going over all the details of this watch, trying it on, so if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button as it really helps out my channel and get my videos shown to more people. And with that said, let's get right into the review. So just before I begin unboxing, I'll tell you guys that the retail cost of this watch is currently $49,350 USD and the market value is $50,000. So taking this watch out, at first glance, we're gonna have the sapphire crystal protecting the extreme white dial. Obviously it's just a white dial, but Rolex likes to refer to it as an extreme white. It's going to have the fluted bezel in the front. This is also going to be solid rose gold, and it's going to be a 42mm watch. And then whenever you purchase a Rolex, obviously it's going to come with the inner and outer box, but it's also going to come with booklets and tags. So these tags right here, we're going to have the green Rolex Geneva tag, and then we're going to have the white serial tag, which is going to have the serial number and the reference of this watch. We are going to have the booklet right here that's going to go over all the specifics of the Rolex Skydweller itself. And then we're going to have the warranty booklet, along with, most importantly, the warranty right here, which is going to keep you protected from any damage to this watch over 5 years. And then looking at the bracelet, we're going to have the rose gold oyster bracelet with the smooth polished center links right here, making them very reflective, bringing us all the way to the clasp, which is going to be an oyster clasp. And if we open it up right here, we're going to notice that behind that, we have the comfort extension. Now this comfort extension will alter the size of this watch and its bracelet by 5mm. So if you're in a cold environment and your wrist is a little bit tighter, obviously you're gonna want to tighten by that 5mm. And if your wrist expands, maybe it's a hotter day, then obviously you have the option of loosening it. And then circling back to the crown right here, we have the double twin lock waterproof system right here. This is going to make the watch waterproof for 100 meters or 330 feet. And this watch is going to have a 72-hour power reserve, meaning that when you wear the watch, it's going to be winding itself. But when you have this watch set in its box or put away, or you're just not wearing it, it's going to continue to track time for 72 hours before you have to wind it again. And then another cool feature about this watch is that the hands and the markers are both going to be luminescent, so you will have no problem viewing the time even if it's dark outside. So who is this piece for? This is for someone who doesn't want to go for the yellow gold option, but they still want to have a very expensive metal, because the rose gold is obviously still going to be stand out, but without that pop that most people choose to go with when it comes to the yellow gold. They're also not looking to pay the price point of a Richard Mille or Patek. They want to be around that $50,000 mark, but still get a good bang for their buck. And then from my perspective, I honestly really love this watch. I think that the white dial actually looks a little bit better than the rhodium and chocolate options, but surprisingly, those options are going for $10,000 more. So let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel. If you guys do like this watch or any of the other watches that I review on my channel, make sure to message me on my media platforms. I'm most active on Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is just going to be @connor.langley. My Facebook is just going to be my name, Connor Langley, and I'm happy to get whatever watch you're looking for on your wrist. So if you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.